I'm making photographs and I know exactly why I'm doing it. So why are we making photographs in the first place? What is our purpose? I think many photographers don't ask that question and they don't really know why. Well, hello there, I'm Alister Benn and welcome to this video course, How to Be Truly Creative. That I'm Scottish. I live on the west coast of Scotland with my wife. I'm a fellow of the Royal Photographic Society and have been teaching photography for nearly 20 years. I had a lifelong passion for birds since maybe the age of 2 or 3, and it was that stimulus that really got me back into photography probably about 25 years ago, there or thereabouts. The desire to go out into the landscape and find beautiful specimens and take their photograph was really my inspiration. Being out there, having an experience. If the photograph is the purpose for you being there, then we can start having all sorts of expectations. It can become a chasing, a striving type of pastime. This is one of my very first photographs that I took back in about 2003, landscape photographs. And this photograph still to this day sparks my imagination. It's a curious world. It doesn't seem normal to me, the tunnel effect of the composition taking me into this fantasy world. But what is it that makes me want to point my camera at things? Why is it on one day I want to photograph one thing, whereas on another day I want to photograph something else? And this is when I came up with the 5 triggers of engagement, and that is what we're going to explore in the first module of this course.